Welcome to Manniello Method. Today I will prepare for you special green vegetable pasta with broccoli and mushrooms. So first of all, olive oil. So don't forget, don't cook too much, don't burn the food, very important. So we add some garlic, broccolis, and a few mushrooms. Okay, and I like to cover my food, and in just few minutes I will come back. In the meantime I will cook my pasta. See you soon. So hello again, I have had my pasta with my broccoli and mushrooms, and I will add 1 drop of essential oil of oregano, and it makes your pasta very tasteful. Look at this, my god, so good. And now ready to eat. Look at that, fantastic. So tagliatelle, green tagliatelle with broccoli and mushroom. As you can see, with Manniello Method it's very easy to cook. So see you next time, bye.